Hello, it's your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, working on a 2015 Mitsubishi. Customer complaint was vehicle was not starting. One of the things you need to do is check your battery. On your battery, you actually have a little sticker. This battery is 4 years old. I don't even understand how it's even running. But one of the ways to tell if a battery is going bad, you'll see green boogers, which is this right here. We call those green boogers. This is a sign that your battery needs to be changed. You'll start getting it on the post, but somewhere around there you're going to start getting these green stuff. That's acid. That's going to be here or here. So if you're trying to crank your car, that's one thing you can do. Another thing you can do is turn on your headlights. Have someone to stand right there when you're cranking the car and the headlight starts dimming really low as you're trying to crank. That's a sign your battery is bad. If you have a multimeter, take your multimeter and put it on this sign. This is direct current. This is alternate current. Put it on direct current, put it on 20. Put these two right here, probes on. You should have 12.50 volts in the battery. It takes 9 volts when the vehicle wants to start. When you're cranking the key, you're putting a load on the vehicle, so the battery's going to drop. If it has less than 9 volts when you turn in that key, that vehicle won't start. It probably will make a click noise. It takes 5 volts for the inside of the vehicle to do anything like the radio, etc., etc. I jumped the vehicle, and here we are. All they have to do is change the battery, not the starter, not the fuel pump, none of that stuff. Keep your diagnostic simple. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.